Good morning. Today we are going to be heading to a client of mine, JDM HQ. So pretty cool place. They import lots of import cars, a lot of Crowns, which are pretty cool. I was never really into them until I actually got to check them out and see some of the cool features that they got. So pretty cool tech. But yeah, we'll show you some of that, and then on the way back we're going to head to Most Wanted Garage and see Tarek. He's almost finished the Mini Senna, which I'm getting ready for my Daydream project. So I'll show you exactly what that will look like, and it's actually going to look exactly like the real Senna. So yeah, let's check it out. So we've just rocked up to JDM HQ, and we've got this beautiful Crown just about to go on a truck to its new owner. So we handle all the videos and the social media for these guys, and we literally put this up a couple of days ago, and in 2 hours it's sold. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Full exhaust system, kit, it's work wheels. The funnest part, chucking car on the truck. Joys of low cars. Right. That look good. All good, you're on. What's the kit again? Is it?
K-brake, Hyper Zero.
K-brake, Hyper Zero. It's a cool kit. How cool is that little? She's off to the new owner in, I think it's Brisbane. So I'll show you some of the cars they've got here now. Cool mix of imports. What do we have here? We've got Aristo. Some more Crowns. I think that's a Crown. It's Majesta. I'm not too savvy with my my Crowns. I know the old ones, but the new ones I'm not too up to date. But got some cooler stuff here. Stager. These things are awesome. I've got one of them myself. I'm just building. I used to have a 34 front Stager, Evo MR, Chaser. Lots of Crowns. We've got a 32 GDR here. Lots of Crowns. So this is actually a Toyota Blit. I've actually never seen one of these in my life before. It's got the 1J, same setup as the Chaser, which is pretty cool. We'll take some photos of this a bit later. So we're starting off with this Majesta. Looks pretty cool. Apparently you have to put the key in, just there. Start her up. Yep, lots of Japanese speaking that I half understand. And yeah, this is what the feature I was talking about before, like how they got some cool features. They literally have a swing feature, and look at it, it actually moves. I don't know if you can see it moving. There you go, there we go. How cool is that? Steering wheel in this thing is so light. It's probably one of the best things about driving a fucking car. Just having a light steering wheel. It's so light, it's such a big steering wheel. It's such a big car. I look like such a midget in this thing. Look at the steering wheel, man, it's massive. So we're just doing a bit of shooting in a nice, open, undeveloped industrial spot. It's pretty clean here. So just taking some social snaps for this thing, and we'll move on to the next one. Right, I've just had one of my photographers rock up, so he's just gonna slap one of my lenses on, and we're going to take two out at a time. We're going to take the wagons out. We're going to take the Stager, the RS4, and the Toyota Blitz. The wagons, obviously working more efficiently with second shooter. So yeah, same shots, same angles, keep it all to the brand. That's the wagons done. Now we're going to go back to the VIP ballers. So I'm taking this one now. This one is slammed. It looks so good. Try not to drop my fucking camera that's under my arm. Look at this. This looks so sick. I'm just going to walk around it before we take off with it. Look at that. I actually really like these. They're pretty sick. I'd get a black one. Alright, so that's a little insight of JDM HQ, some of the cars that we've shot today. Nice mix of imports, and we all love imports. We're going to head over to Most Wanted Garage and see Tarek now, and prod him to finish that, that EV Senna. Alright, we're at Most Wanted Garage. Let's check out the Senna. This looks sick. This actually looks like the real Senna that we're shooting. And this is what the actual real Senna looks like, but this is cool. It's got the carbon in all the right places, it's got the stripes in all the right places, in the vents, all the way down. And what I love is, obviously you can't see the orange from the outside because that's exactly how it is. You only see it on the insides, so it looks pretty spot on. Even there around the sides, the calipers still need to be fucked. Need to be sprayed, and he's actually sprayed the whole inside. This actually used to be orange, which you'll see later on in the whole build of the video that I produced of this. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. So once this is done, it means that we can finish filming the second part, because it revolves all around this, and then the third part will be the actual real Senna on the track. This thing looks rad. So that's about it. I'm going to wrap up for that, and yeah, stay tuned for the next one.